Why do you sound so white?
Fuck you. Stop telling people of color that they sound, speak, or act white. Like, that doesn't even make any sense to me. Like, recently I was out minding my business, and somebody who I didn't know, but they swore they knew me, gonna go to me, yo, you still sound white. So I started going off. Like, excuse me, what the fuck does that even mean? Because I know how to complete a motherfucking sentence. I sound white. He was like, oh, who's the black? No, do you see all of this? I'm black as hell. And I embrace my blackness. But what needs to stop being done to black people and people of color is because you don't behave a way that your race, your community, your society, whatever believes that you should behave, you're acting white. What? So because I know how to complete a sentence, because I speak well, I speak white? First of all, not all white people speak well. Let's just throw that out there. Not all of them speak well. Now let me ask you this, not college educated woman like myself, if I spoke like I needed to be hooked on phonics, would you not be judging me? All you would hear is, oh my God, she's college educated and that's how she speaks. But because I speak proper, because I'm showing my education by speaking properly, I speak like I'm a white woman or a white person. It's fucking insulting. Stop telling people of color things like that. Like, oh, you act white, you speak. It's insulting. And then I also don't like if white people are being ghetto, they're acting black. We have to stop with this shit. We have to stop putting things like that on people. Just I'd rather you be like, oh, Rosetta, you bougie, than telling me that I sound white. Because it's insulting to my blackness. It's insulting to other people of colors, whatever races they're all, it's insulting. So stop telling people they sound white, they act white, they speak white. It's rude. Because let me show you something. You want me to be black, you want me to act black, talk black, I will curse you the fuck out quick as hell for insulting me like that. Quick as fuck. And the Jamaican gonna kick in too if you keep telling, you sound like, it's gonna suck your mother. Because I'm sick and tired of hearing it. But guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Until next time. Oh, and don't forget to hit that bell. That bell. That bell. That what? That bell. That bell. That bell. So you can get my notifications. First of all, if y'all see me sweaty in ESC, I'm sorry, it's hot as fuck in my room. But anyway, it's Friday. Happy Friday. It's Friday. Happy Friday. Gotta hit you with the shoulders. Anyway, guys, mwah, mwah, mwah. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.